Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation video. My name is Rinsa Syabila, together with my three partners.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nisa Fikri Nazifa, my last NPM 7.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hannah Zilhaibah.
Hey everyone, my name is Sitra Manjelina and my student ID number is 2,502,040,037.
Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, designing a persuasive speech using rhetorical strategies. So, without further ado, let's listen to the explanation from our first presenter, Nesa.
I will presentation about the material of topic definition of persuasive speech. A persuasive speech, type of speech designed to influence, convince, or motivate the audience to accept a viewpoint, change an attitude, or take a specific action. For example, campaign speech, expert times, motivational speech, and public service announcements. Thank you for attention.
Thank you, Nesa. Next, Rindi will continue with the next part. Number 2, ethos, purpose, and practice. Ethos, credibility, show expertise, be polite, and use reliable source. Purpose, logic, use facts, data, examples, and clear reasoning. And pathos, emotion, use stories, emotional words, and relatable experiences. Alright, next Kak Siti will continue with the next part.
Persuasive speech structure: introduction, greeting, acknowledge attention with a quote, question, story, or starting fact. Topic: clarify, introduce the subject of your speech. Purpose: state what you want to persuade the audience to believe or do. Body: explain the issues, provide context, and clarify why the topic matters. Argument: present your point using ethos, logos, pathos, and evidence. Conclusion summary: briefly restate your key points. Call to action: tell the audience what you want them to do, think, or change. Strong closing: finish with a memorable final line, quote, or emotional appeal. Thank you.
Thank you, Kak. Now, let's hear the explanation from Hannah.
For point number 4, informative versus persuasive speech. The differences is actually very clear. First, informative speech. This type of speech aims to give information, explain a topic, and help the audience understand something. The tone is neutral, and we don't try to influence anyone's opinion. The main goal is simply understanding. For example, explaining how a hydroelectric dam works, the history of the internet, or the definition of multiculturalism. Second, persuasive speech. This one is different. The purpose is to convince, influence, or motivate the audience to take a certain positions or actions. It usually uses ethos or credibility, logos or logic and evidence, and pathos or emotion. The final goal is agreement or action from the audience. The easiest way to remember is informative, like what is this? Persuasive, like what to think or do. So the main differences lies is the purpose and the way the message is delivered.
Thank you to our presenters for the great explanations, and thank you to everyone who has watched our video until the end. We hope this presentation is useful for all of you. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.